Yeah.
Okay, folks, here I go again. Look what I found for you this time. A 1971 Ford F700 custom cab over fire truck for the city of Enfield, North Carolina. Look at that, won't you? Is that not cool or what? It started right up. He started it up for us. It started right up, no problem. And we're gonna let it run a little bit. He's up here at the shop. There's a problem. I think the clutch needs some work on it. It is for sale. He's asking $3,500 for it. It appears to be all complete. And that's a pumper truck. And it's got this. I'll show you on the other side. It's got the hinges for where you raise it up. You see the springs there. And it's a 361 cubic inch Ford engine. Look at the gauges. There's your oil pressure gauge, water temperature gauge. There's a tack. All these little knobs, but I'm not messing on this stuff. Who knows what I'll do. Look at this cool right here. Ain't that cool? Comes with the hoses. '71 Ford F700 fire truck cab over. I continue to bring you these cool things on the channel, folks. You got to subscribe to my channel and you got to hit that like button. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your car buddies on Facebook and other internet sources, social media. Let them know what we got going on here. I continue to bring you these cool things. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up. But a Ford fire truck is for sale. I'm amazed at this stuff. It's this complete running, driving truck. Let's get the clutch fixed in it. Open this little door right here, see what we got going on. Oh man, we got the pumper. This is where your pump's at, I believe. Yeah, man, check that out. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Some kind of little tag that we can get you in there with that tag. Can you see that, folks? Yeah, Lord, how do I get in there? There it is. There you go. Doors. Check out these chains. Look at that. Ain't that something? A little stubby hole right here. Let's see if I can get this open. I better not. I'm gonna break it. Here's the other side of the engine over here. Man, this would be a cool project for somebody. I know you guys love this kind of stuff. All right, Scott, go ahead and this is the owner of the truck right here. This is Scott. He's gonna set the cab back down and shut the engine off, and we're gonna look around on the inside. We found out the hard way. It's a double locking. It's got this lever and then there's another lever back there we didn't know about, so we found that out. I'm gonna crawl up in here. Oh, me, it's been a long time since I rode the fire truck. I was probably 10 years old.
27,000 miles on it.
27,000 miles on it, buddy. You know, fire trucks don't get driven much. Unreal. Just slide over here, Scott. I want to get on the driver's side here. Boy, this is a treat just to get to ride on the driver's side. Get to be on the driver's side. Woo. Look at that. Oh, this would be fun. This would be fun. Oh, Lord, this would be fun. Let's look at this headliner. We got these headliner. These little boards are not that hard to find, I don't think. I've seen those in some other cars. Got to be somebody out there making those. Here's a choke right here. Halifax Truck Company number 31. Oh my goodness. I love to have this. Oh Lord have mercy. I want to thank Scott for letting us video this, showing us around. See if I can get out of here without hurting myself. There's your, I'm going to turn you sideways. I'm going to try to turn you sideways here. There you go. And then back the regular way so you can see that. Oh, there's a folded armrest right here. I didn't see that. Wow. There's my buddy Steve right here. He said it. Okay. The city of Enfield, North Carolina. I think he's going to put the lights on for us. While he's doing that, I'm going to climb up here and give you guys a bird's eye view. What all we got going on up in here. This thing here rolls. A little rust on it. It'll clean up. It'll clean up pretty good. I ain't gonna say to be Barrett Jackson, but you can clean that up pretty good. I've dealt with rust, believe me. Rod Turnbull, this is you right here, buddy. You can go with that Dodge fire truck you bought. I heard something clicking, but I didn't see none of the lights working.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It may be the lighting. No, I don't think none of the lights are working.
I know the wiring was a little jumbled up down here when he got it, so he had to mess with the switch a little bit.
Gotcha.
He said they tried to Mickey Mouse the wiring on something on it. It's all there anyway. So
these panels here, I guess, go behind the seat right here.
yeah. You got access to the engine right there.
Yep. You sure do, don't you?
Yep.
Awesome, man. Thank you, Scott, for showing us this.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
My pleasure.
All right, folks, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and let us know what you think about this truck. This is the first fire truck I've done, first video fire truck. I thought that was some brass knuckles at first there, but it's some kind of what all this is. You fire guy, you guys in these fire trucks know what this stuff does.
Yeah.
All right, folks, this is cool. Okay. Oh. She's starting to run a little bit better. It was a choke issue. Yeah, it's smoothing out now. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it's not smoking. That's what it was. The choke was stuck on it. Yeah, it's too bad we couldn't get the lights working. That would have been cool.
To make a cool toy hauler, man. Somebody want to make an incline, incline.
Yeah.
Bed out of it,
Yeah.
And make an incline with a winch on it. Pull a show car up in there and haul it from place to place.
Yep.
That would be bad for that, man.
Does it have air conditioning on it?
I don't honestly know.
I don't think it did. I don't guess the fireman needs air conditioning, does he?
No.
That would kind of,
Like it hot.
that'd be insulting. He ain't gonna want to get coupled.
Well, it got air right there.
Does it? No way.
Got air on the thing. But that might be just free flow air. I think that's probably a vent.
Yeah.
It says air, but I think it means vent.
It's probably a fan air.
Yeah.
Yeah, defrost heat air. That's probably a fan. We got a speaker right here on Motorola speaker. All right, folks, there you go. There you have it. Once again, we're going to thank Scott. Be sure to thank Scott for letting us video this fire truck. Come on down here and buy it, or take it home.
What's my number, man?
Oh yeah, what's your number, Scott?
919-675-4021. It could be yours.
There you go. Did you get that, folks? All right, we're going to end the video right here. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Thank you.